Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Open University.
Hello dear student, have a nice day. Myself Kiran Patel, Assistant Professor in School of Computer Science of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Open University, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Dear students, we are going to start with the course RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. In today's session, we will learn about the block 3, Oracle Server and SQL, in which the unit 1 is a structured query language. This is the 7th part of the unit 1 in block 3. Now we will start with the block 3 unit 1 is a structured query language. First of all, we see the agenda of the unit 1 is a learning objectives and outcomes, introduction, basic data types of SQL, SQL statement, data definition statement, constraint, data manipulation statement, SQL operators, Oracle built-in function, SQL joins, SQL queries, SQL views, SQL index and SQL sequence. These all the topics are included in the SQL. After learning all these topics in unit 1 block 3, the students will be able to getting the knowledge about the structured query language. In last session, we have been already completed up to the SQL built-in function. Now, today we are going to start with the SQL joins. In our syllabus, SQL joins includes the inner join, outer join and self join. Now we start with the SQL join. Join is used to retrieve the information from the multiple tables. In join, one column should be common in a related tables. A join clause is used to combine the rows from the 2 or more tables based on a related columns between them. Means the rows in a one table can be joined to the rows in another table according to the common values. The rules of join operation is that in a query, if the same column name appears in a more than one table, the column name must be prefixed with the table name using dot operators. For example, table name dot column name. Now the different types of the SQL joins are the SQL joins is the 3 types: inner join, outer join and self join. The outer join is again the 2 parts, left join and right join. Now SQL inner join. The SQL inner join is also known as a equi-join or a simple join. Return all the rows when there is at least one match in a both table. Equal to sign is used for the comparison operators. It returns all the rows from the multiple tables where the join condition is met, and it returns the record where the table 1 and table 2 is intersect. So inner join is return the intersect result. It is the most common type of the join. See in the figure, the intersection records is the output of the inner query. Now see the syntax of the inner query. Select column names from table name inner join table 2 on table 1 dot column name, or the next is the select column names from table name 1 comma table name 2. In a first, here we see the inner join is used. We also write down like this using comma where condition. Now understand the SQL inner join with the example. Here there are 2 tables, student and result. Based on these 2 tables, we can learn about the join clause. See how to create the tables and relationship between the tables using the join. For learning the join query, in a join table must be related to each other. Now create the table student with the primary key. See in the table here in a same as the result table. Create the result table with the reference key. Create table result roll number 3. Reference is student in the bracket roll number. And then Next column is the percentage. See in the figure, suppose in both the table having the following types of the data. Notice that both the table student and result have a roll number is a common column. The relationship between the two tables using the common column roll number. See in the figure, the student table and result table both are related to the roll number common column roll number. In student table also have a roll number and result table also have a roll number. In student table roll number is a primary key and in result table roll number is a foreign key. So if we use the join query, then relationship between the tables are necessary. Now see, learn the inner query using the example. Display the student roll number, name and percentage of all the students. Now how to write the join query? Select student dot roll number comma name comma percentage from student comma result, where student dot roll number is equal to result dot roll number. Or select student dot roll number comma name comma percentage from student, inner join result on student dot roll number is equal to result dot roll number. Both the table have a roll number 1 and 2 records. Inner query have the table intersect the result. Now both the query have the same output. See, the output of both the query is shown in this table. The table, the common records from both the table will be displayed. So the inner query or a inner join is used to display the common records from both the table. And how to write? We see here. Using both the table from using comma, otherwise you can use inner join. Now inner query with the where condition. See in the example, display the student roll number, name and percentage of the student whose roll number is a 2. Select student dot roll number comma name comma percentage from the student, inner join or a comma, we can also use the comma, result on student dot roll number is equal to result dot roll number. Here on, after on, we can write student table roll number is equal to, means the both table are joined using roll number column. Now where student dot roll number is equal to 2. See in the output, record number 2 is displayed. Without where condition, there are 2 record is displayed, roll number 1 and 2, because in both the table roll number 1 and 2 is a common. But using where condition, the result will be filter and only roll number 2 is displayed. So here where condition is contain only roll number 2. That's why it display the roll number 2. In previous slide, we see the roll number 1 and 2 is displayed. Now SQL outer join. Outer join is used to identify the situation where the roll number, where rows in a one table do not match the rows in a second table. There are 2 types of the outer join, left join and right outer join. Left outer join returns all the rows from the left table and match the rows from the right table. See in the figure, all the records of the left side table will be displayed. For example, select student dot roll number comma name comma percentage from student, left join result on student dot roll number is equal to result dot roll number. Here the left table is a student table. So This query display all the rows from the student table even if there are not matched with the roll number in a result table. Now the next one is a SQL left join with the where condition. For example, select student dot roll number comma name comma percentage from student. Here we use the left join. If we use the inner join, then we write the inner join. If we use the left join, then write down here left join. If we use the right join, then write down the right join. On both the table are joined using roll number, common column roll number, where student dot roll number in 1, 3. So the roll number include 1 and 3. Here the left table is a student table. Student table have a 4 records. From these 4 records, only 1 and 3 record is display using where condition. Now the right join. SQL right join, it returns all the rows from the right table and match the rows from the left table. See, in the figure, the records of the right side table will be displayed. For example, select student dot roll number comma name comma percentage from student, then right join result on student dot roll number is equal to result dot roll number. Here the right table is a result table. So this query display all the rows of the result table even if there are no match with the roll number in a student table. See, in the output display the right side table, that is result table data, which contains roll number 1 and 2 only. So it will display the roll number 1 and 2. Now the right join with the where condition. Here in the example, same query is used with the where condition. For example, select student dot roll number comma name comma percentage from the student, right join result on student dot roll number is equal to result dot roll number, where student dot roll number not in 1, 3. See, in a previous output, it was display right side table, that is result table data, which contains the roll number 1 and 2 only. But here we use the where condition so that the result will be filter the data and it will display only the second record whose roll number is a 2. See, if we use the join query, then select and then all the field we use to display it, write down the with the select statement. After that, from which table, all the tables are included here. From, if we use more than one table, then from all the tables, comma, all the tables. Then on, after on, all the tables are how it is joined using common column. If we use next third table is a exam table. So how we can write? Here we use the AND operators. AND student dot roll number is equal to exam dot roll number. So all the tables are joined using the common column. And then we write the where condition. If we need the particular data, then we use the where condition. Now SQL self join. When a table is joined to itself is known as the self join. It is necessary to ensure that the join statement defines as a aliases for both the copies of the table to avoid the column ambiguities. Here in the example, S1 and S2 are the aliases of the student table. For example, select S1 S1 is the aliases of the student and S2 is also the aliases of the student table. So here in the example, select S1 dot roll number, S1 dot name, S2 dot city from the student S1. Join student S2. We also write down here student as S1. Join student as S2. We define the aliases using this table name, then aliases name. Aliases means another name of this table. So, or we also use as a as operator on S1 dot roll number is equal to S2 dot roll number. In the output, it will display all the records from the student table. See, the another example, same query using the where condition. Here, we use the same condition, but here we use the where condition, where S1 dot roll number is equal to 3 or S2 dot name like in the single quotation %I, percentage and single quotation. In the output, it will display all the records from the student table whose student name contains the character I. It means it will contain the roll number 3 records as well as whose name, student name contain the character I. So, roll number 3 as well as Priya and Ravi contain the character I. Here we complete the SQL join from the block 3 unit 1 according to our syllabus at the end. Thank you all. In next session, we will start with the SQL subqueries. If you understand this session and getting the knowledge from this session, then please subscribe the BAU Gujarat. And once again, thank you all.